Hello and welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I have some really exciting news to share with you guys, but first, let's go make some coffee because it's early. We got our coffee. So I wanted to share with you all that I got a very exciting email yesterday. I applied for an art show and one of my pieces got accepted. So it'll be shown in Wisconsin at the 33rd annual Midwest Season Show. So I'm very excited. So if you're in Wisconsin, you'll have to go see the piece for me because I won't be there. But yeah, I'm very excited. The only other group show that I've been a part of was an art auction. So this is just like a gallery show. So I'm very, very excited. Having a painting in a gallery is something that I've wanted to do for a while now. I've applied to other shows and I haven't been accepted. So it's just exciting that I finally have a painting in a gallery, and the piece will not be for sale. The piece is actually already sold. My mom purchased it, so I am borrowing it from her so that it could be included in the show. And I didn't tell anybody that I was applying for this specific show. At least I don't think so. At the time I was just applying to several different things, and this one popped up and I was like, well, let's try it out as well. They said in the email that a lot of people applied. I submitted 3 pieces and only one of them got in, which is perfectly okay. I'm excited that one piece got in. So yeah, I'm very excited. I also want to add that you don't have to show work in a gallery to be an artist. I think there's a misconception about that, but this is just something that has been on my list that I wanted to accomplish, and it's exciting that we're ending the year with that. The show will be in the beginning of next year, so we're starting off strong, so I'm just excited for 2023. I'm excited to finish up all these orders so that I can paint what I want to paint. And yeah, I'm just excited. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm excited. So that being said, I am going to pack up a sticker order. I need to go to the post office, go to the art store because I need a new paintbrush. And while I'm out, I'll probably do a Starbucks run because it's my day off. And we have a lot to accomplish today, so I need all the coffee that I can get. We need a plant update. My peace lily. It's definitely a flower. It's gotta be a flower. But it has not opened up yet. But she's getting there. Looking great. And not only do we have one pink bloom, but we have two. These blooms here are ready to come off, but overall, these have not bloomed for me in probably 2 years. So the place that I have them is just working out really great. I'm very excited. This guy here is just doing the most. I don't think this was supposed to have any variegation, but something's happening here. I don't know what though. I just checked on Amazon. My new Fitbit band was supposed to be here today, and now they changed it to Monday. It's Friday, and now I have to go all the way till Monday without it. I know it's not the end of the world, but I wear my Fitbit every day, and with work, it's nice to, one, count my steps, but two, I don't have to pull my phone out. Everything just comes in on my watch. Whatever, it is what it is. Alright, so today's order is this sticker. It's one of the other very popular ones, so I'm excited. Another one is going out. I am just gonna cut these thank you cards down a little bit because I ordered the wrong size, which I thought I ordered the same thing that I ordered last time, but apparently not. I also need to make new thank you cards because I have had these ones for a while now, this design, so I think it's just time for a new design. And instead of my Instagram, I think I'm going to just have a link back to the shop so that people can leave a review, or if they're not following the shop after they purchase, then they can follow the shop. So yeah, that is it. That is my life update. Today I am off, but I have a lot to get done. So you're following. You've been following, and I didn't notice. Alright, so I am going to wrap up today's video here. Thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for following along on this art journey with me. I will take you along to the art store with me in tomorrow's video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.